hopelijk een nieuwe era in ons wildbedryf waar ons produk en ons kliënt vir die eerste keer in die geskiedenis by mekaar bring. Ons wil graag hiermee 'n platform skep wat beide die jag en die wildbedryf sterker kan maak en 'n glo sal maak. We are also entering the lifestyle auction market with 4 Wolfswinkel branded auctions: Wolfswinkel Karoo, Wolfswinkel Kalahari, Wolfswinkel Bushveld, and Wolfswinkel Diamond in Kimberley, and 6 of the most prestige auctions where we brand and host auctions on behalf of the following 6 groups: Pieter Tooi Wildbedryf, the Pilansburg Group, Legacy, Signature in the Eastern Cape, Bloodline, and Wintershoek. We are also planning to host a big hunting package auction in April next year. And I think what we really want to do in this, as I have said it and I want to say it again, is to put a platform there where we can showcase what we can offer to the clients in South Africa and also the clients abroad. Ons bied vandag slegs 'n paar uitstekende pakkette aan van die voorste wildboere en voorste jagdestinasies. Dit is noodsaaklik dat die wild en die jagbedryf nader mekaar beweeg en nouer saamwerk. Veral as ons kyk na dit wat besig is om te gebeur in die wêreld, dink ek om volhoubaar te wees is dit noodsaaklik. This opportunity will also be used to showcase what South Africa can offer to the hunting world out there. We will only make, and I want to say it again, we will only make quality safaris at quality destinations available for both the trophy market and the local recreational hunting market. This is the beginning to make South Africa again the destination of choice. We've been for many years, and I think we've neglected what we have here, and we must get it back from the rest of the countries that's marketing against us. So that's why I want to say, watch this space. This is going to grow bigger and better.
Gasverkopers of ons verkopers hier vandag, baie dankie sê. Thank you very much indeed for being I suppose, the leaders, for tramping on new ground. This is groundbreaking territory for everyone in the industry, but ultimately we believe that is the end result for the industry. If we don't get the hunters and the breeders together, then I think we may have problems going forward. So thank you to each and every one of you from our side. I really do appreciate that as well. All right, then we look forward to a lovely day with you, a wonderful auction here, the first of its kind. You can say that you were the first to attend this game or hunting package auction here at the theatre. Right, so lot number 1 that we have. Right, you're going to start this on 40, what do you say, 40, better 40, 1, 30, better 30, other thumb down, better 30, another 25, 25, 25, the 26, and then I got 26 in the way, it says, another better 26,000 there, I'm going to make a song. Here's the sum at 26, and then we have the thumb now, at 20, 20, now, and then we have another 30, at that, better 30, there, now 30, the thumb down, better 30,000 over there, at that, better 30,000, at 34, at 34, the thumb 34, 34, the thumb 34, at the middle track, 34, and 36 now says, that, better 36, 30, knock, and that, better 38,000, and the base of 30, there we have the thumb, and that, better 30, then there we go, at 30, knock, and that, better 38,000, at 40, better some of 42 here, at 42, better 42, better 44, at 44, the thumb at 44, and we have 44, 40, 54 we got, 54 we have there now, 54 we got down, 54,000, and going to make a sum right in front, we had it down, 54, and 56 now to 56, and then we get down to 56 there, and then make some 56,000 there, and going to make some, thanks for the help now to 56, there we have the time, in the middle, 56, all out, and a big hand there by thank you, 56,000. 278 at 56,000. Buy number 278.